what you call a hole saw. This particular one's like a 1.5 inches. This is about where this gets below the cover upstairs and past the rack.
Is that catching fire?
It is hot.
Woo! Okay, sorry, I had to say that because I can see the smoke.
These slots on the sides, that's how you pry it out. But it fell out in that case.
Well, I'll let them see. I can barely see. I'm not as tall as our regular cameraman either. See, he's trying to... Wow! Who knew? That's kind of cool.
Normally you have to pry it out. May have to go get a fresh battery. That's why I leave these old ones at the house, the old drills, the old stuff, because they're not up to standing through the work I do outside of them.
Yeah, but you're an American.
I'd do it by hand if I had to. All right.
Wow.
All right, you can use just about anything. It doesn't have to be round to cover that. You can actually use tape. From what we can tell, it doesn't require very much, but she happened to have these canning lids that she was using. So we're gonna use those. And over here.
Camera. Yeah.
I don't know if I like that. It says it's sure tight, but it sure don't look tight to me.
Okay, I'm gonna move to where I can see. There we go. And then he's doing the bottom one because I'm short.
All you gotta do is, if they get loose, you can tighten it up. There we go. There's the vents. Now we have vents. We have the controls.
I covered him with a bag.
He's out in the weather right now. We'll put more shelves in here. And I'll put this cover over it so.
We'll get back with you when we do that.
We'll put the turners in and all that. But you could probably incubate now. Just not turning them.
I want to be able to, it has to run for a couple days to test the temperature.
Yeah, and I gotta put a floor in your future shop so I don't have to keep moving it.
Yeah.